So I came here to the job yesterday, and my customer's harpsichord was flipped upside down. So this foot base, well, I don't know if you call it a base. It's like the top plate that screws under the bottom. There's 3 of them and 3 legs, and then the leg screws there. Well, it broke into 3 pieces. But I was looking at these, and they look like they're getting ready to crack too. I saw a crack on one of them. So these are actually too short anyway. We had some wood blocks on there to raise it up 3 inches for my customer. So what do these things look like? Those gas pipe flanges. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot real quick and see if I can match one up and see if we can replace the legs for and get it 3 inches taller than this, whatever this is. So I'm at Home Depot. This 2-inch galvanized would work. It's off a little bit. Have to do a little drilling, a little bit. Widen the holes a little bit, but there's no bushings. They don't even have any 2-inch pipe, so they only have some nipples. And there's no bushings to reduce it down here. This store, man, I gotta get out of here. Gotta go to a plumbing supply or something. All right, so I can't spend my entire life at Home Depot or plumbing supply, so I came up with this setup here. This will be the bottom. It's like 1.25 inch pipe. It says inch, but it's like 1.25 inch. And then we got a bushing, and we got a second bushing. And this flange here says 1.5 inches. So of course the holes don't line up, but it's big enough that I can probably drill my own holes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I got 3 setups. I got some paint. I mean, way off, but as close as I can find. Try to get my customer some legs so she can play her harpsichord again. All right, so I had to drill my own holes, but that's all right. I think that's gonna work. And then I got the felt feet. I gotta clean this real good after I paint it and stick them on there and hope they stay put. But I think that'll work. So I'll take this back out, and I gotta make 2 more of them. Let's go do that. All right, let's drill the second one. Broke the bit on that one. Clamps in the way. All right, one more. Let's drill it. just to show you what I'm using. Wipe them down a little bit with some Windex and a rag. Just to get any of that excess oil and greasiness off of there. I'm gonna have to do it again off the camera, of course, because I need both hands. Gotta make sure all the grit's off of there so the paint sticks. Then I got some felt feet to stick to the bottom, but it needs to be clean and painted first. Definitely not a good day to spray. It's a little windy. Gonna have to spray in between wind gusts. And we're not looking to paint the phone either. If I feel wet on the hands, and I know I'm getting it on the phone too. Oh man, look at that. I'm far away and it's still bubbled up. I don't know if I like this Rust-Oleum. It looks like the brown's too light. But I mean, I guess it's better than silver. Then later it could always be painted again darker. I don't know. Usually the cans with the bigger caps spray nice. This one here does not spray nice. All right, we'll let that set a little bit and I'll hit it again. All right, let's hit them up again. I forgot to do these tops, which are actually the bottoms. Do him first. Keep aiming down because I don't want to get it on the lenses. It's definitely coming back at me. Yeah, it's probably too windy today for spraying. Hit the bottoms again. All right, let them set up and install them. Beautiful, they fit. Little felt feet.
Okay. Oh wow, that's too much. That's for a...
Is that reverb? Yes.
That's the reverb.
Can you adjust it with this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.